Hello and welcome to the session. Research Project LO1. Examine appropriate research methodologies and methods to identify those appropriate to the research process. Are you ready to dive into the world of research methodologies? This video explores the key aspects of conducting effective research. Discover how different methods and ethical considerations shape successful research projects. Research involves distinct phases, including setting aims and objectives, selecting methodology, and presenting findings. Secondary data informs primary data collection, offering insights before new data is gathered. Explorative, descriptive, and causal approaches guide research direction. Each phase is crucial for comprehensive understanding. Let's delve into these phases and their significance. Research methodologies are grounded in philosophical approaches like positivism and interpretivism. Positivism relies on objective, measurable data, while interpretivism focuses on subjective human experiences. Quantitative methods align with positivism, emphasizing numerical data. Qualitative methods suit interpretivism, exploring social phenomena. Mixed methods combine both for a comprehensive view. Ethics ensure research is conducted responsibly, protecting participants' rights. Informed consent and confidentiality are crucial ethical considerations. Scientific integrity and public trust depend on ethical practices. Researchers must minimize harm and manage data responsibly. Ethics are fundamental to valid and trustworthy research outcomes. Reliability refers to consistent results from research methods over time. Test-retest reliability checks consistency across different times. Inter-rater reliability involves multiple researchers rating the same data. Parallel forms reliability compares different test versions. Internal consistency assesses response consistency within a test. Validity ensures research measures what it's supposed to. Content validity checks if a measure covers all aspects of a construct. Criterion validity correlates measures with related external criteria. Construct validity assesses if a measure truly reflects the intended construct. Internal and external validity ensure results are attributable and generalizable. Research skills are vital in both academic and workplace settings. They help identify problems, collect information, and evaluate resources. Employers value these skills for tasks like report writing and business planning. Students choose projects related to their study pathways. This enhances their understanding of business in real-world contexts. The unit encourages students to engage in sustained research. This involves identifying a theme, setting objectives, and presenting outcomes. Reflecting on the research process is vital for personal development. Recommendations for future growth are key learning points. Engaging deeply in research enhances both academic and professional skills. The Pearson SET theme focuses on business recovery. Businesses must prepare for unexpected events like pandemics. Continuity planning maintains functions during disruptions. COVID-19 impacted industries, highlighting the need for resilience. Businesses must adapt to survive and thrive in uncertain times. Selecting a research objective involves exploring various topics. Topics include crisis management and recovery initiatives. Objectives should broaden understanding and allow exploration. They must be feasible, ethical, and relevant to the student. A well-chosen objective enhances research depth and interest. Research systematically collects and interprets data to solve problems. It involves identifying questions, designing studies, and analyzing data. Research advances knowledge and informs decision-making. Distinct phases guide the research process. Each phase contributes to comprehensive understanding and problem-solving. Research follows 5 phases: conceptual, design, empirical, analytic, and dissemination. The conceptual phase involves hypothesis formulation. The design phase plans the research strategy. The empirical phase gathers data. The analytic phase organizes data for hypothesis testing. Secondary data informs primary data collection, offering insights. It includes government reports, academic articles, and market research. Secondary data identifies knowledge gaps and refines research questions. It helps select appropriate research methods. Comparing findings with secondary data validates primary research. Explorative research is used when the research question is unclear. It gains understanding and generates hypotheses. Qualitative methods like interviews and focus groups are common. Explorative research identifies variables for further study. It's the first step in understanding complex issues. Descriptive research measures characteristics of populations or phenomena. It answers questions like how many or what is. Quantitative methods like surveys are typical. Descriptive research provides detailed insights into specific subjects. It's essential for understanding and describing research contexts. Causal research establishes cause and effect relationships. It answers questions like what causes or how does X affect you? Experimental methods manipulate variables to observe effects. Causal research is crucial for understanding interactions between factors. It's used to test hypotheses and validate theories. Quantitative research uses numerical data and statistical methods. Surveys, experiments, and content analysis are common techniques. It's used to test hypotheses and establish relationships. Quantitative methods provide clear, objective insights. They're essential for validating research findings. Qualitative research explores complex social issues with non-numerical data. Interviews, focus groups, and observations are typical methods. It captures the richness of human experiences. Qualitative research is crucial for understanding social phenomena. It provides depth and context to research findings. Mixed methods combine qualitative and quantitative approaches. They provide comprehensive insights into research problems. Advantages include validity and triangulation of data sources. Limitations involve complexity and the need for expertise. Mixed methods suit complex research questions. A conceptual framework connects ideas, philosophies, and concepts. It guides research by outlining assumptions and methods. Key components include research questions, theoretical perspectives, and variables. The framework ensures research is systematic and relevant. It links research to existing theories and concepts. In conclusion, examining appropriate research methodologies and methods is essential for ensuring a research project is well-structured, credible, and effective. Selecting suitable qualitative, quantitative, or mixed methods allows the research process to align with the research aims, questions, and context. By understanding the strengths and limitations of different methodologies, researchers can choose the most appropriate approach for data collection and analysis. This informed selection enhances the reliability, validity, and overall quality of the research project. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via email or WhatsApp at 0748 436 1688.